Hello there, it's Alana Tuckey, and there's been some questions about this problem from the homework. It's also in the study plan, so I thought I'd go over it for you in a video. All right, a small community college employs 58 full-time faculty members to gain the faculty opinions about upcoming contract negotiations. The president of the faculty union wishes to obtain a simple random sample that will consist of 5 faculty members. She numbers the faculty 1 to 58. Using table 1 from Appendix A, the president of the faculty union closes her eyes and drops her ink pen on the table. It points to the digits in row 19, column 7. Using this position as the starting point and proceeding downward, determine the number for the 5 full-time faculty members in the sample. Okay, so let me move this table over so you can see. Okay, so this is the random number table. It's full of, well, random numbers, all right? So they say that we're going to start at row 19. That's down here, row 19. There's the 19. Column number 7. So that's right here. That's this 9 right here. All right. Now, the thing to keep in mind is that we want 2-digit numbers because we go all the way up to 58. So you're going to need 2 spots, right? So you want 0, 1 would stand for 1, 0, 2 would stand for 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, etc., and all the way up to 58. Okay, so if we're starting here, then our first 2-digit number is 98. See that? 98, but 98 is not in our sample, so we're going to skip it and move to the next one. But it said to move downward, right? Proceeding downward. So we're going to go down from the 9 to the 8, 85. Well, 85 is no good to us, okay? So we can't use that at all. All right, since 98 and 85 are out, then we're going to go to the next 2 pairs of columns. So we were working in these 2 right here. So we're going to move over, but we're going to start at the top, right? So 12. Well, 12 is totally cool. 12 is in our group, so I'm going to grab 12. So let me type that, 12. And then while I'm on the subject, the next one is 39, right? So 39 is okay, so we can have that one. 97 is too high. 29 is okay, so let me type 29. 09 is okay, so let me grab 09. And then 58 is the next one. Whoops, where was I? 12, 39, 97, 29, 09, 58. 58 is the next one, so let me grab it. Enter. See, I did a good job. Okay, so let me reiterate. You start where they tell you to. So we started at the 9, and because we want 2-digit numbers, we grab 98 right next to each other. Cool? All right, so 98 was no good. 85 was no good. And then the tricky spot is going up to the next column. So 85 was no good. So you got to go up to the top of the next column and grab those 2 numbers, which was the 12. And then the next one, 39. Skip the 97. You'd also skip any repeats, by the way. Like if I got to this one and it was another 12, I wouldn't take it, right? So you don't want to repeat, and you want to keep working your way down and then back up. It's like a serpent. You go down and then start at the top and then go down and then start at the top and go down and so on. And again, you only use 2 digits because our numbers are 2 digits. If this had been, just for example, 3 digits, suppose it went to, I don't know, 358. If this went to 358, you'd be doing 3 digits then. 001, 002, 003, right? And you'd grab 981, 854, and so on. So you grab as many digits as your largest number has. Okay? All right, I hope that helps. Talk to you later.